Hello everybody, do you remember this shot? Probably not because I forgot to put it in the last video, but I do like this shot, so I hope you like it too.
You join us on the morning after the last vlog where we completed a set of vlogs known as the Stourbridge 16. It was so dark that night, so we were pleasantly surprised to wake up and find that our mooring spot looked like this.
And counting that and the other vlog, it was a day of 24 locks altogether. No wonder my back hurts this morning.
It's forecast to rain, so I think we'll stay here for a bit and see what the day brings.
It's just caught onto my leg. Say hello to my little frog. I think what we're going to do now, set it, well, I didn't capture it, but set it free, put it down on this little thing here. Bye bye little frog, have a nice day. Oh. Bye bye little froggy. Hello everybody, so me and Skylar are back on another walk. Say hi guys!
Hi.
So we are just outside of Dudley, near the Stourbridge junction. We found a park on the way up here, so I'm going to show you where that is now. It's literally not far. Well, I think Skylar wants to get there fast. There wasn't many boats coming through the last few days, and you could actually see down to the bottom of the canal. It was actually really clear.
With all the talk about the water being clear, I thought I'd stick the GoPro down there and see if we could see any fish.
I didn't think this was the best idea after what happened to the drone, but then again it was me who crashed it.
No fish, but lots of cool underwater plants.
Ooh. There's a runner and two bikers. It's very busy out on the towpath today. We're going to get to the park and we'll show you where that is now. It's a leaf. What have you got?
I've got fishing.
The first muddy puddle of the day. There's a bigger one here. What I really like about this part of the canal is just over there. On that side of the canal, there's beautiful horses over there. Oh, they're all over there at the moment, so I don't know if you're going to be able to see any. Possibly there might be one there. No, they're all pretty far up the field now. Oh no, there is one over there. I don't know if you can see it. Blackberries, they're red at the moment. There was some black ones. You loved them last year. We haven't even made it near the park yet. And this little park is literally just by the Stourbridge Junction area, just off the canal, so it's really good for people to come over, have a picnic or whatever, really, just chill out under the sun. Over there it looks like possibly like a few rocks to climb on and a zip wire. And over there there's oh, that might be part of that club thing, but there's some goalposts there. So yeah, it's really nice around here. Yeah, like red tape over the things and like things like stopping to go on and things tied up, so we can't. Skylar, I don't think you're allowed in. I don't know, it's all got all red tape around it and the swings are all tied up. Oh no, I know. The swings are all tied up, beautiful. We can't, we're gonna have to walk round. I don't think they're supposed to be used. Yeah, they're not. They've all been tied up, beautiful. Oh no, I know, I'm sorry. Oh no, we'll run round the field though, yeah? We'll ring Mummy and tell her what's happened. Wow. As you can see, padlock on the swings, and you can't use them, beautiful. I'm sorry, we're gonna have to go home and wash your hands now. I feel really bad now. Oh bless. Everything. They've even took the zip wire swing. This way. Skylar's gonna go find her own thing to do. This is a sad day.
Daddy, miss you.
I know, I miss you too, beautiful.
Baba. Daddy, Baba.
Baba's at home. Baba is Skylar's favourite little Peter Rabbit teddy bear. Just in case anyone was wondering.
Oh no.
Oh no. I told them all, now they know. Now somebody might come and try and take him. Oh, this is a nice little alleyway. I wonder where it's going to go. Oh. No, in our luck, it's going to take us the totally wrong way. I'm going to have to walk you all the way round. It usually happens with me and Skylar when we go out on a walk. Skylar finds a place. I'm like, okay, Skylar, we'll go there. We start going down and then we end up a couple miles away and we've got to walk all the way around to find Mummy. I think I know where we are, Skylar. Oh, look! Now that's very strange. Mummy's right there. Look where Skylar took us. If anything, Skylar's way back home was quicker. Seems like you know the canal better than Daddy.
Daddy.
She cheered up later when she seen her granddad.
Baba.
And when she had fish and chips from the best chip shop ever. Later in the day, my back pain cleared up and we made a move.
We are still on the Stourbridge Canal at the moment and have about 1.5 miles until the next junction.
So many lovely horses around here.
You probably can't see them, but they are there.
The canal is looking clearer out here, but there were still a few things floating around in the water. In case you're wondering what Skylar gets up to when we're cruising along, well, we thought we'd show you.
Sometimes she holds our teddy bears hostage. When I was passing this boat, I was thinking about how beautiful it was. Later on that day, I actually met the guy who would explain to me that where the window is where the boat actually finished and the rest of it from the front was built onto it. The only thing I wish I had asked him is how much did it cost?
Starting to get dark out now, so I think what we'll do is probably get to the top of the locks and stay there. What the hell is that? Whatever it is, it's squirting water out. Hope it's water. There's a pipe actually going from that thing. You can probably see the little lead going down.
Skylar also loves to look up the hatch.
Skylar. Hello. Hello, beautiful. I love you. Oh, I love you too. Peppa Pig, I know.
No matter what we're doing, we've always got a good eye on Skylar and check on her regularly. Pack also likes to keep her company.
Not everything goes to plan. Where's the orange? I thought I'd get more footage while Skylar looks for the orange.
So everybody, that was a little cruise down to these little locks here, but as we was about to go into the locks, the lovely gentleman on the boat next to us now, he just come up to tell us that the locks are jammed, which are not good. And yeah, so they did phone the CRT apparently hours ago, and the CRT haven't come out to sort it, so hopefully that's now going to be in the morning and they'll be able to sort it. I don't actually know what's wrong with it, to be honest. Yeah. But yeah, we're at Stourbridge top lock. It's stuck and it's not good. Hey ho, we'll see what happens. But that will be for tomorrow morning. So yeah, that's us for today, and we're not going to be getting any further until the lock's done. But yeah, I thought I'd show you some of my things on the top.
The garden is growing. I mean, it's been very hot, so the sun has bleached a couple of them, but still growing, and it looks like we will have tomatoes this year.